Cool. Hello my YouTube friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a gunshot practice at home. A few things you need. I have my brand new Glock 17 gun. You need this laser training cartridge, G-sight, and a little tripod, and on top of this is like a smartphone holder. You also need a smartphone to download one app of this G-sight. When you do the practicing, you can record your shooting scores. And a target paper. Okay, that's all you need. The very first step, you make sure your gun is completely unloaded. Magazine is empty, there's no bullets here. No bullets inside. Double check to make sure. Put this aside. This is the laser cartridge. And this side with the black cap, a firing pin is going to hit on this side. This is the front side. There's a little plastic piece here. Just remove it. And then just squeeze it in. Push a little bit in. Your gun is ready to shoot. As additional safety requirements to remove the magazine. Even though magazine is empty, just remove it. Then set up your target. Just put the printed target on any wall. In my case, I put it on a table tennis table. The next step is to download the app, G-sight Laser Training Pro. Open. Okay, continue. Training. Laser training, 10 shots. Put it in this little stands. You aim this to the target. So it's ready to hit start, okay? And then you can shoot. Cock gun. See that? Got the dots over there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Looks pretty good.